What if you could finish hours of work in just minutes? In just minutes. What if you completely free?
Most people waste hours every day doing work that AI can finish in seconds. Today, I'll show you 7 AI websites that can completely change the way you work.
First is Perplexity AI. It gives direct answers with trusted sources instead of endless search results. Instead of opening 20 different websites, you get one complete answer in seconds. Next is Canva AI. It creates beautiful presentations in minutes without any design skills.
Simply enter your topic and AI builds a professional presentation for you.
Need realistic voiceovers? ElevenLabs creates voices that sound almost human.
Perfect for YouTube videos, podcast, audiobooks, and professional narration.
And the next AI website completely changed the way I work. Don't miss it. NotebookLM can turn hundreds of pages into simple summaries and answer your questions instantly. It's like having your own personal research assistant available 24 hours a day.
Napkin AI automatically turns your ideas into beautiful visual diagrams in seconds.
Perfect for business presentations, teaching, and explaining complex ideas.
The next AI tool is one that every content creator should know.
Canva AI helps you create stunning designs, thumbnails, and social media content in just a few clicks. Tasks that once took hours can now be finished in minutes. Tasking AIs using AI. PixVerse AI can transform simple images into amazing cinematic videos within minutes. Whether you're making YouTube videos, ads, or social media content, AI makes the process faster than ever.
We're not done yet. The final AI tools are even more powerful.
AI isn't replacing creativity. It's removing repetitive work so you can focus on what really matters. The difference between working with AI and without AI is like comparing hours to minutes. These AI tools can help you save time, boost productivity, and achieve more every single day. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI effectively. Stay with me. The final 2 AI tools might become your favorites.
Successful people don't work harder anymore. They work smarter with AI.
With the right AI tools, one person can now do the work of an entire team. Artificial intelligence is changing the way the entire world works.
The question is no longer whether you should use AI, but how soon you'll start. Before you leave, there's one final AI secret you need to know.
Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's already changing the world today.
The people who learn AI today, will have a huge advantage tomorrow.
These 7 free AI websites can save you time, increase productivity, and completely transform the way you work. Which AI website was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. AI Slime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.